So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a tax-free savings account or a TFSA on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up the RBC app, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on the More icon. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says Products and Open an Account. Once you're on this page, I want you to go to the very bottom and press on Investments, make your money work for you. And now it's going to say, how would you like to invest? So this kind of chooses how you want to open up your TFSA. So there's kind of three different options that are being presented. You have the RBC Invest Ease, which is wanting pros to invest your money for you. So this is a very hands-off approach. There's also the second option through the RBC Royal Bank. I want access to guidance from RBC advisors. So this is kind of a mixture of hands-on and hands-off. And if you want fully hands-on and a self-directed account, you can select the RBC Direct Investing, or I want to manage my own investments. So for this demonstration for opening up a TFSA, it works for all three of them, but I'm just going to go ahead and press I want to manage my own investments. Once you're here, it'll give you a bunch of different options right here. So since you want to open up a tax-free savings account or a TFSA, I want you to go ahead and check that box right here under the most popular. But there also is different options right here if you want to open up another account. Now, if you press on continue this way, it's going to verify your information and then open up the account that way. So I actually have one open up, so I'm not going to bother. But if you press on continue, you can follow the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open up a tax-free savings account or a TFSA using the RBC Mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.